So I think they're called suicide knobs, or I don't know. But it's this thing right here, and they're actually illegal. Not very, very illegal, like a fine of maybe $30, probably $100 illegal. And so it's actually for mowers, and they say for not on the, you can't use it on the road. It's only off-road vehicles. I guess like a mower. But I don't have power steering. This truck never came with it. Even from factory, it didn't come with power steering. It just makes it a lot easier to turn, and I can drive with one hand actually. So I like it. Here comes a bend. I don't know. I think, what's the chances the cop's going to pull me over with this? I think they're pretty slim, we'll see, Well, I'll count how many months it's been, and we'll see if I get pulled over. It's just, I'm so lazy, I like the knob. It's really easy to install, too. It's just like an Allen wrench. It's simple. Anyway, I thought you guys might want to see that. But, it's my Easy Rider, as it's called. They sell them at Lowe's. Not at Home Depot, though. Only at Lowe's. It's exclusive. I find myself just going like this. Maybe that's why they're dangerous. The guy at Home Depot told me the reason why they don't sell them is because, let's see. You're allowed to have them if you're crippled. If you have some kind of disability, cops have them. So I wonder if that means they're all disability. But you're not if you're just a regular person. I think it's a great idea for everyone. Damn laws. Anyway, this has been too long of a video of me talking about a knob on my steering wheel.